Banksy's DIY attitude, harnessing the spirit of 1980s punk anarchism. Banksy's artistic ethos embodies the rebellious, do-it-yourself DIY spirit, reminiscent of 1980s punk anarchism, infusing his work with a subversive edge, political commentary, and anti-establishment ethos. By channeling the DIY attitude of punk culture and anarchism, Banksy challenges authority, questions societal norms, and empowers individuals to critically engage with art as a tool for social change and resistance. Like the punk movement of the 1980s, Banksy values autonomy and independence in his creative process, rejecting institutional constraints and commercial pressures to maintain artistic freedom and integrity. The art serves as a form of activism, leveraging subversive imagery, satire, and protest aesthetics to challenge power structures, expose injustices, and ignite conversations about pressing social issues. Drawing inspiration from punk anarchist ideals, Banksy employs guerrilla tactics in street art, utilizing public spaces as a canvas for dissent, resistance, and cultural reappropriation, reclaiming urban environments for creative expression. His anonymity functions as a strategic weapon against the art establishment and corporate interests, allowing the artist to evade censorship, circumvent copyright constraints, and maintain a level of mystique that amplifies the impact and reach of his work. This DIY approach disrupts traditional art world conventions, challenging notions of authorship, ownership, and commodification, while democratizing art and amplifying marginalized voices often excluded from mainstream narratives. By embodying the punk anarchist ethos of DIY resistance and cultural rebellion, Banksy inspires a new generation of artists, activists, and creatives to question authority, embrace creativity, and challenge the status quo through art as a powerful tool for social change. Banksy's do-it-yourself attitude fosters a sense of empowerment, solidarity, and collective action, inviting individuals to engage with art as a form of personal expression, political dissent, and cultural intervention that transcends boundaries and empowers communities to reclaim agency in shaping shared narratives and urban landscapes. By merging the DIY attitude of 1980s punk anarchism with contemporary street art practices, Banksy transcends conventional boundaries of artistic expression and cultural activism, reshaping the art landscape and challenging existing power structures through subversion, dissent, and creative resistance. Banksy's legacy as a purveyor of DIY ethos underscores the enduring relevance of art as a vehicle for dissent, empowerment, and societal transformation. Embodying a spirit of rebellion, autonomy, and creativity that continues to inspire individuals to challenge norms, question authority, and reclaim agency in shaping a more just, inclusive, and expressive cultural landscape. Banksy's artistic journey unfolds through a series of provocations, interventions, and transformative creations that challenge norms, provoke thought, and inspire change. From the streets of Bristol to global galleries, Banksy's work reflects a profound commitment to engaging with societal issues, amplifying marginalized voices, and reshaping public discourse through art. The artist's enigmatic persona, subversive messages, and strategic use of anonymity continue to captivate audiences, spark conversations, and redefine the boundaries of contemporary art in an ever-evolving cultural landscape. Banksy's timeline of artworks embodies a legacy of creativity, resistance, and cultural impact that transcends conventional artistry and remains a testament to the enduring power of art as a force for social transformation and collective empowerment. How can an artist who doesn't legally exist defeat a multi-billion-dollar corporate legal system? Banksy has turned the public domain into a battlefield, proving that copyright is for losers isn't just a slogan, it's a tactical strike against art institutions. His anonymity is being weaponized to reclaim our streets. A legal war is erupting over who truly owns the walls of our cities. By rejecting intellectual property, Banksy is systematically dismantling the gatekeepers of the art world and returning power to the sovereign commons. This is a radical rebellion that treats corporate ownership as a relic of the past. Banksy's greatest masterpiece isn't on a wall. It's his structural critique of state-sanctioned art law. He is intentionally losing legal battles to expose the friction between private profit and public space. This is the reason that his anti-copyright stance is the most dangerous threat to institutional control in the 21st century.